Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please like and subscribe to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks for coming back. I'm grateful. In this video, my hobby will be taking me around is alma mater, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, Anambra State, Nigeria. So guys, stay tuned and watch till the end.
Yes, so welcome to Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, Aluta Giants, Aluta Continua. That's we. So today, as I promised you earlier on, I'll be taking you guys around the university, Nnamdi Azikiwe University in Awka, Anambra State, Nigeria. I will take you through the departments, faculties, and all the amenities in the school and within the school. So let's go there. Okay, so right now we are heading straight towards the administration block of Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. And right in my right hand here, you can see a building. That's the security department building. Those are in charge of security in Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. This is their building over here. So right ahead of us is the administration block of the Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. You can see it's a very giant house. It's a very gigantic building. So beautiful. That's the office of the VC and every other administration officer in the school. And right by my left here, you can see the UBA bank. That's the bank area. That's where all the banks in the school are located. Okay. So come with me into Unizik, my beautiful school. Towards the left there is the multipurpose hall. Yeah, multipurpose hall. And we keep going down. You can see how beautiful my school is. Wow. And it keeps getting more beautiful every day. You know, new developments, new structures, new faculties keep springing up. You know, it's so nice. Those are so nice to see my school growing like this. So this is the arts faculty, the faculty of arts. You can see how beautiful it is. That's the faculty of arts, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. You can see that for yourself. So we keep going through. I will take you guys around my school. So over here is Chike Okoli Center for Entrepreneurship Studies. Yeah, this is Chike Okoli Center for Entrepreneurial Studies. Yes. So we keep going down. You can see how beautiful the environment looks. For those of you who would want to come to Unizik, this is the library. Professor Festus Ayabo Nwankwo Library. You can see it for yourself. It's a very gigantic building, one of the best libraries in Nigeria. I don't think there's any library that's as big as this. In this is there? I'm not sure there is. It's very big and it's very, very nice and functional at the same time. Yeah, Unizik has a very nice library. And over here, it's our mighty legal faculty of law. You can see this is the faculty of law. This is the faculty of law, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. You can see how beautiful it is. For those of you who want to study law in Unizik, that's your faculty. Here is the management sciences building. Wow. This building houses so many departments. I think about 9 departments or so. Banking and finance, marketing, accountancy, business administration, and so some other courses. Yeah, this is where all those departments are being housed. They are all under the management sciences faculty in Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. That's my faculty. I did diploma in marketing though. So that was my faculty when I was doing diploma in marketing. Yeah, it's a very nice and big faculty. It's very large. Over here is the mass communication department. Mass communication department. Back then, if you don't have a friend in mass communication, that means you don't know what's up in Unizik. Because in this department is like they select them when they are giving the admission. They used to select them. You understand? This year you see in Kiruka, Azoka, Njideka, and Nkemjika, all of them that are here. Mass communication department. This is it over here. And this building houses the Unizik FM 94.1 radio station. Yeah, this department houses the radio station, and it also houses the lecturers' offices and student lecture halls too. So this is Mass Communication Department, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. You can see that for yourself, Unizik 94.1 FM. That's the office. So it's a very nice department with their orange and black departmental wear. So over here is the girls' hostel. Girls' hostel, yes. This is behind the girls' hostel. You can see the students playing football behind the hostel. There's a football field behind the hostel. So this is the girls' hostel, and you can see the students playing football over there. So just look at how beautiful Unizik is. For those of you who want to apply for Unizik, this is the boys' hostel, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. That's the entrance. That's the entrance over there. That's the boys' hostel, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. And over here is the Department of Economics. Department of Economics, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Makandena Economic. You know, for those of you who know how to economize. That's their Department of Economics, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. So over here we have the newly built Faculty of Education. Yeah, that's my faculty, but we did not study here. We use the old building. Here is the Central Utility Building, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Here is the Central Utility Building in Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. So come with me and see how beautiful my school is. This is the Faculty of Environmental Sciences, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. That's how beautiful. Look at how beautiful my school is. Wow. Unizik is one of the best schools in Nigeria. Here is the Science Village. Yes, this is where this area houses all the science faculties and departments in Unizik. That's why we call it the Science Village. Departments like the Botany Department, Departments of Applied Biochemistry, Department of Biosciences, Department of Parasitology and Entomology. Even physical sciences are here too. Physical and industrial physics. You know, a whole lot of science courses. This is where they have been housed. This is where you see the faculties and departments of most of the science courses in Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. This is where we call the Science Village. And you can see over here the new faculty under construction, though it's not yet ready. This is the new Science Village faculty. This is where they will be their permanent site. Okay, so you can see how serene the environment is, how beautifully organized it is. You know, this is where you study and it will enter your brain directly. You know, we have a lot of green verge in the schools, a lot of trees, a lot of natural stuffs around the school. So it's really nice. Unizik is really nice. You know, it's a really nice place to be. I love Unizik. So over here is the palm sites. This is where you will see the Nnamdi Azikiwe University High School. As you can see, this is Nnamdi Azikiwe University High School. That's the secondary school of Nnamdi Azikiwe University. This is it here. You can see that for yourself too. That's the high school, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, Nigeria. So over here is the bus stand. Yeah, this is where you pick your buses or your keke to your various departments. And this is where you speak. This is where you the transport hub is. Okay, and from here you will see the back gate. This back gate leads to the back gate here leads to Ifite. That's the back gate that is back of the school. And over here is the Faculty of Social Sciences. That's where you see the psychology department and the sociology and anthropology department. Over here is fine arts department of fine arts, fine and applied arts. This is their department also. And taking you through, this is the Nnamdi Azikiwe University Nursery and Primary School, Awka, Nigeria. You can see that for yourself. Nnamdi Azikiwe University Nursery and Primary School. So inside the university, we have both the secondary and primary and nursery. So it's not just university studies that you study here. Your children can come to school here too. Okay, so it's a full school system from nursery to university to PhD to masters. You know, everything is right here. So this area is the engineering area. This area we have all the engineering departments you can think of. This is their zone. All the engineering departments you can think of, this is their zone. This is their area. Just like we have science village. Okay, that's how we have we also have the mechanical engineering department over here, the electrical electronics engineering, name them. I don't know most of the electrical engineering departments are just located in this particular area. All the engineering courses, departments and faculty are located in this area. You can see the Chisco Institute for Transportation Studies is still around this side too. So this side is mainly for engineering courses. Yeah, Faculty of Engineering. Faculty of Engineering, that is your area over here. So from here, from this particular place, we'll be going towards the postgraduate school. Yeah, this is the College of Postgraduate Studies. For those of you who want to do masters and PhD and blah blah blah, this is your department. Okay, that's the College for Postgraduate Studies, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. College of Postgraduate Studies. You can see that for yourself. Very beautiful place to be. Very beautiful and organized school. I love Unizik. Okay, so for those of you who want to study in Unizik, this video is for you. If you want to do your masters, your PSc, your PhD, whatever you want to study, diploma, whatever it is, this video is for you. Okay, so you can see how beautiful Unizik is. Just for you to have the feeling of the school environment and what it looks like. So this is the admin block again. This is the side view of the administration block in Azikiwe University. You can see we have the block A in the front and the block B behind. Okay. So this is the brain box of Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. Yes, that is the brain box where the VC and all their officials operate from. Okay, this is the one and only and remaineth the only Emelda hostel, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. If you studied in this wonderful, great, giant school and you don't know Emelda hostel, then I think you are not serious. You are in fact you do not study here. Okay, this is the Emelda hostel. It's one of the best hostels in Unizik. It has the male and the female blocks, as you can see. The one in the left is the male blocks, while the one on the right is the female block. This is the Confucius Institute at Nnamdi Azikiwe University. This is where you study your Chinese language. So if you are a fan of Chinese language, please, this is your department. Institute of Confucius, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. So over here we have Unizik Business School. Unizik Business School is right over here. And this is the architecture building, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. This is the building of architecture, the Department of Architecture, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. For the architecture students, this is your department. Unizik is so beautiful and so large. It can contain everybody. This is the Anglican church in the school. This is the school's Anglican church. And here is the medical center, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. That's the medical center. This is the Catholic Church, St. Joseph the Worker, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. This is the Institute for International Studies, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. Institute for International Studies and Diplomacy. Here is the Faculty of Education, new building. New building, Faculty of Education, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. That's the new faculty. So if you watched up to this point, I want to say thank you. Please endeavor to share, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because the next video is going to be a blast. Okay? It's going to be a blast. I promise you. Stay tuned.